Welcome back, friends. Previously in this chapter we learned about the area of a circle. We derived the equation for an area of a circle, that is what pi r square. It means you need to have a value of radius or diameter to find the area of a circle. Value of pi you can take 22/7 or 3.40. Okay. Now today we will continue exercise 11.3 with question number 6. Remaining 4 examples we covered in previous video. So, question number 6 is Sharma wants to put a lace on the edges of a circular table cover of a diameter 1.5 meter. Okay, what is this first statement? That is edges of circular table. Edges means if we have this kind of table, circular table. Edges means it is this distance. On this side, she wants to put a border. So what is this? It is a circumference. So we need to go find the circumference, find the length of the lace. So what will be the length of lace? That is, if we start from this point, we put a lace on the outer border of this table. So this is nothing but the circumference of table. So to find the length of lace, we need to find the circumference of circle. And also its cost. If 1 meter of lace cost 15 rupees. After that, after finding the length of lace, that is nothing but the circumference of circle, we need to find the cost for a lace. That is, for 1 meter cost is 15 rupees. So for this length, what will be the cost? Clear? So here, length of lace is equal to circumference of circle. So what is the circumference of circle? That is 2 pi. Diameter is given 1.5. So here d is 1.5. So radius is equal to 1.5 divided 2. So we use radius 1.5. 2, 3.14 and 1.5. 3.14 multiply 1.5. So that is 4.71 centimeter. Because the unit is given meter, so it is in a meter. So length of lace is 4.71 meter. Now cost for 1 meter is 15 rupees. So we can write cost for 1 meter is 15 rupees. We have 4.71 meter. So cost for 4.71 meter is equal to 4.71 multiply 15. If you multiply this, you will get 70.65. That is what? Cost of lace. Clear? Now next one. Question number 7. Find the perimeter of adjoint figure which is semicircle including the diameter. We already solved this kind of example in textbook example. So here, perimeter of figure. Perimeter means if we start from this point, we need to cover this distance. That is a perimeter, and we also need to cover this diameter. Now what is this distance? It is a circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So we get the perimeter. So we can write perimeter is equal to circumference of semicircle plus diameter. So circumference of semicircle is what? Here the diameter is 10 cm. So to find the circumference, we can use radius 5 cm, or you can directly find pi multiply d. So circumference of circle of semicircle, that is 1/2, 2 pi r. Now 2 will be cancelled. Pi is, let's take 3.14 and radius is 5. Here we found radius is 5. So if you multiply this, you will get So it is 15.70 meter. Okay, now it is 15.17 centimeters. So perimeter will be 15.70, that is circumference of semicircle, plus diameter, that is 10, so it is 25.70 centimeter. Okay, now question number 8. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 50 per meter square. So here tabletop needs to be polished. Circular table is given and we need to polish this area. So here we need to concentrate on area because we are covering whole surface of the table. That's why we need to find the area of a circle. First, diameter is given 1.6 meters. So from diameter we can find the radius, that is 1.6 divided to 0.8 meter. So area of a circle, tabletop, that is pi r square. Pi is 3.40. Radius is 0.8 multiply 0.8 because it is a square, so multiply 0.8 two times. So if you multiply this, you will get 2.0096 meters. Now the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per meter square. Means cost for 1 meter is 15 rupees. 1 meter square is 15 rupees. So we can write cost for 1 meter square is rupees 15. So cost for 2.0096 meter square is equal to 15 multiply 2.0096. So you will get 13.14. Clear? Now let's take the next example, question number 9. So here Sasli took a wire of a length 44 cm and bent it into the shape of circle. One wire is given and it is bent into the circle, means one wire is there and we make a circle of this wire. So circumference of circle will be equal to the length of wire. Clear? Also find the radius, also find the area. So length of wire is 44 centimeters. So circumference of circle is also 44 centimeters. Why? Because a wire is bended into the circle, but if we bend it into the circle, length does not change. So circumference of circle is equal to the length of wire. So we can write length of wire is equal to circumference of circle. Here length of wire is 44. So equation for circumference of circle is 2 pi. Take pi 22/7. And we need to find the radius. It is written that find the radius. So here 7, that is in a denominator. To find r, take this value on the left side. So 44 multiply 7 divide 2 multiply 22. That is r. 22 2s are 44. So cancel. So radius is what? 7 cm. Now if we have a value of radius, we can find the area of the circle. So area of circle, that is pi r square. Pi is 22/7. Radius is what? 7. So we get 7 multiply 7. We can cancel out this. So 154 centimeters square. That is what? Area of circle. Now next sentence is the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Now this 44 centimeter wire is bended into the square. So that is also the perimeter of a square. What is the length of a side? So we can write length of wire is equal to the perimeter of square because this is our wire and that is of 44 centimeter and it is banded into the square. So perimeter is also 44 centimeter. So we can write length of wire is equal to perimeter of square. Now length of wire is 44. What is the equation for a perimeter of square? That is 4 multiply side. So to find side we take 4 in a divide. So side will be 44 divided 4, that is 11 centimeter. So side of this square is 11 centimeter. Now if we have a value of a side, then we can find the area of a square because we need to compare which enclosed more area. So area of square, what is the equation? It is side multiply side. So 11 multiply 11, that is 121 centimeters. Now here square enclose 121 centimeters square and circle enclose 115 centimeters, 154 centimeters square. Length is same but area formed by circle and a square is different. So which enclose more area? Circle enclose more area. Clear? Now next one. Question number 10. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 cm, two circle of radius 3.5 cm and rectangle of length 3 cm and breadth 1 cm are removed. Find the area of remaining sheet. So again, what is the statement? From the circular card sheet. So here one circular card sheet is given. From this card sheet, two circle of radius 3.5 cm. So these are the two circles whose radius is 3.5 cm is removed, and one rectangle whose length is 3 cm and breadth is 1 cm, that is also removed. So find the area of the remaining sheet. So how can we find the area of remaining sheet? First of all, we need to find the area of the whole sheet. And from this sheet, we need to remove area of this circle and this rectangle. Clear? So first of all, we will find the area of all four things. So one bigger circle, two smaller circle and one rectangle. So let's find area of larger circle, that is pi r square. What is the radius of larger circle? That is 14 cm. So here pi is 22 by 7. Radius is 14 multiply 14. So that is 44 multiply 14. That is 616 centimeters. So area of larger circle is 616 centimeters. Now area of two smaller circles. Here radius of one circle, both circles are same. So we directly find the area of two smaller circle, that is 2 multiply pi r square. 2 pi is 22 by 7. Now radius for this is 3.5. So we multiply 3.5 2 times. That is 0.5 10. 2 multiply 0.5 is 1. So 22 multiply 30. 3.5. So that is 77 centimeters square. So area of this two circle is 77. Now area of rectangle. That is what? L multiplied by. Now what is length? 3. B is 1, so it is 3 centimeters square. Now to find the remaining area from the whole circle, that is 116, we need to remove 77 and 3. Here we find the area for both circle, so that is 77 centimeters square, because you can see we multiplied with 2. So area of remaining sheet from whole circle, we need to remove area of two circle, that is 77, and area of rectangle. So 616 minus 8. If you subtract this, you will get 536 centimeter. Clear? Now example 11. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from the square piece of aluminium sheet of size 6 cm. What is the area left over the aluminium sheet? What is the question? Here one aluminium sheet is there. One square piece of aluminium sheet of size 6 cm. So this size is 6 cm. It is better to draw a figure so you will understand what is the question. Circle of radius 2 cm is removed. So from this aluminium sheet, one circle of 2 cm is removed. So here we need to find this remaining area. How can we find? If we find the area of whole square and area of this circle and subtract the area of the circle from square sheet, so we get the remaining area. So first we need to find area of the square. Area of square. So that is side multiply side. Now what is the side? That is 6 cm. So it is 36 centimeters square. Now area of the circle whose radius is 2 centimeter. Pi r square. Now value of pi is 3.14, that we need to take. Radius is 2, so it is 2 multiplied 2. Multiply 3.40 with 4. So it is 12.56 centimeters square. Now from 36, if we subtract 12.56, we get the remaining area. So area of remaining sheet is equal to 36 minus 12.56. So that will give 23.44 centimeters. Clear? Here 3 examples are given that you need to solve in homework. Below that your answer is also there, so you can check your answer by yourself.